Chloe, dito, oh. Dito, oh. Dito, oh. Okay, you're done eating.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are ready to swim.
Yes.
So you need to wake them up. Oh, wake them up. Here. Wake them.
Guys, this is the time to wake up Miguel and Daniel. Yeah. Yeah. It's morning.
Kapag may bata sa bahay niya na morning, kumakain ng agahan.
I'm done eating. I'm waiting for Miguel and Daniel.
Tumatanong. Minsan. Dahil umiyak. Ayan, baby got the gift. Wow. Wow. Okay,
And sa ating legit na inaanak.
Miguel.
Miguel. Ate Miguel.
Miguel,
Bless! Ba't walang hindi? Lalite.
Walang thank you, thank you. Walang thank you.
Kay Ate Honey.
Meron din.
Kay Ate.
Ay, meron din ako.
Mommy, I got.
Thank you.
I got the
Wow,
bracelet
bigat
and
ah.
I got this.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Gustong-gusto ni Zia.
You have to create a lot of bracelets.
Kaya nga. Gawin mo ako ha. Color pink gusto ko. Gawin mo ako color pink. Simple lang, simple. Sabi mo, wala mo. Teo, kapatid mo, baka biglang tumalon.
Makaiga si Mami sa heart. Sa tabi ng pool. Ah?
I am at 5 feet.
Ay, okay. Teo, ha?
Teo, kapatid.
Hindi mo ako lumangoy.
Oh, sige, langoy.
My turn.
Magaling ka niya, matapang. Morning coffee. Kape. Ano pa? Si Uno. Good morning, Uno. Yan. Kailangan naglalaro pa sa pool. Ha? Maliligo din ng mga toys. Si Peppa Pig ka din no? Naiinggit yung isa, ayaw lumangoy. Mainit na, Miguel. Game, go. Wow.
I have only just one floater without
Ayan, tumatapang ka na. Okay, go. You can practice, baby. Practice like Theo. Look at Theo, he can swim. Sasama, hanap tayo swimming lesson. Yung totoo talagang swimming lesson kahit magbayad tayo. Swim now. Come on. Si Miguel talaga wala eh. No? Walang ibay na asahan eh. Ay! Ang gulo. Tell them what you're doing. Tell them.
Okay, you say.
Go.
Okay, I Guys, I'm going to make a bracelet for mommy.
Okay.
She said she wants butterflies and flowers. Now let me do that. I'm going to take for a while then.
Who gave you that gift?
Tito Alfie.
The Alfie. I think you need to put a lock first.
Maybe the butterfly has gold.
Maybe you got another one with that, no?
Yeah,
From
Daddy.
Daddy. Beautiful. Later, I'll show them what you did, okay?
Okay.
Saan pupunta? Saan pupunta? O, baba ka mag-isa mo. Ay, iyak ulit. O, baba ka mag-isa mo.
Swimming kami dalawa ni Mami. Mami, dali na nga. Iwanan na natin si Zoe.
Ano regalo sa inyo? Patingin nga.
Bye-bye.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, tumatalon-talon. Ay, 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 ay. Yun, di pa nakakaayos. Ganda. Go. Beauty, rest, may mask, yan. Bibilang ka siya. Bili nga ako nung sinasabi ni Godwin. 200 pesos. Yeah, we're here. Naiwan siya. Ano ka na? Dandali. Ano na tayo? Hilo sila sa akin. Come on, let's go.
Can I bring my friend David?
Yes. Yan na.
But I thought
Yeah.
we go here for 3
Airdrop
times.
daw, wait. Sa main door. Pila-pila. Wow. Mga good citizen kayo ah. Pila-pila kayo. Mami. Ano ko, nakapila. You tired? Are you tired? Oh. Oh no, that's not heavy. Okay. I will take a picture of you, okay?